Hey guys, Plasmate78 here, and I made something from Christmas. You know those, butterfly knives that I make? Well, I made that from this cool 3D printing pen. Here it is. It's pretty good. It opens up. The thing broke here, but it still works pretty good, as you can see. Almost. That's pretty cool. So, I made this completely out of filament. Ooh, it's so spoopy. And that's about it. So, I'm getting sort news thing. I'm getting another one of these that's actually made from metal. It's gonna be silver and it's gonna be really cool. It doesn't have an actual blade, it's like a practice one. And and it's pretty cool. So I will make a video when that happens. And from there, I'll show you all later. Bye guys.